how to fix Google search problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Google search if not working properly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So here always make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then search again. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart your browser or app. So here if you're still facing the search problem, then what you can do is you can simply close your browser completely from the recent apps, and after that you can simply open it again and try searching again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the browser cache. So here if you're using the Google Chrome, then what you can do is you can just go to the settings section of the Google Chrome. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you can tap on the option labeled as delete browsing data. And there just tap on it, and after that on the next page just select cache option only, and after that you can simply tap on delete data. And once you do that, it will remove all the temporary blocks and glitches from the browser. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the app or browser. So here open the Google Play Store, and now here once you're inside the Google Play Store, what you can do is you can simply search for the Google app, and there if you see any update button, then you can just tap on update to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your device. So sometimes a simple restart can fix the temporary glitches affecting the Google search. So here you can simply restart your phone, and here once you're done restarting your phone, you can simply open the Google app again and try searching again. And that's it. That's how you can fix Google search problem quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.